Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is a comprehensive cheat sheet that compares Java and Python, showcasing the similarities and differences in syntax and functionality. Each section includes examples for better understanding. Hashtag Java to Python cheat sheet. Hashtag 1. Basic syntax. Java asterisk. Python asterisk. Hashtag 2. Variables and data types. Java asterisk. Python asterisk. Hashtag 3. Control flow. If-else statement. Java asterisk. Python asterisk. For loop. Java asterisk. Python asterisk. Hashtag 4. Function/methods. Java asterisk. Python asterisk. Hashtag 5. Classes and objects. Java asterisk. Python asterisk. Hashtag 6. List/arrays. Java asterisk. Python asterisk. Hashtag 7. Dictionaries/maps. Java asterisk. Python asterisk. Hashtag 8. Exception handling. Java asterisk. Python asterisk. Hashtag 9. File handling. Java asterisk. Python asterisk. Hashtag 10. Comments. Java asterisk. Python asterisk. Hashtag summary. This cheat sheet covers fundamental concepts in Java and their equivalent constructs in Python. While Java is statically typed and requires more boilerplate code, Python is dynamically typed and often more concise and readable. Feel free to explore further into more complex topics like threading, asynchronous programming, and libraries specific to each language.